Right. Well, my name's Tom Keenan. I'm the Business Development Director for TechBlick. Welcome to the second session for today. We had a really good session in the first session. We're going to keep it going here. I'm not going to take up too much of your time because this is for the presenters. I just want to introduce Frank from Addoptics, and Frank's going to be talking about the road to AR glasses for all day and everyday use. And one last thing, I just encourage the audience, don't be shy. Please type in your questions and we'll try to get to as many as we can at the end of Frank's talk. And with that, Frank, the floor is all yours. You've got 20 minutes. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for the introduction, Tom. Hello, everybody. My name is Frank Marsman. I'm a business developer at Addoptics. And Addoptics is a global leader in the manufacturing of prescription lenses with integrated display technology made for smart glasses. And in today's 15 minutes, I want to talk about how our technology will enable the first truly successful generation of AR glasses that are worn every day, all day, and how that can happen within the next 2 to 3 years. So quick recap, where are we now? So on April 15, 2013, Google Glass was released. And this really symbolized the start of a new era, a world where people will wear AR glasses all day, every day. And now we're 10 years further. AR devices have become vastly more powerful, advanced, and the display technology has become much better. And yet, I have never met anybody who wears AR glasses every day, all day. So today, I want to cover why this is the case and how we can solve this. So before we dive into that, I want to make one distinction between classes of AR devices. There's pretty much the maximalist approach, which favors functionality over function. So these are relatively bulky and cannot be worn all day, every day. Opposing that approach, we also have the minimalist approach, and this favors form over function. And this will be the focal point of our discussion today, as new generations of these minimalist devices will be the first ones that people will actually wear every day of their life. Well, as I said, Addoptics, our business is prescription AR glasses. So let's start with why prescription is important. An argument that you hear a lot in the industry is that, well, 70% of people need prescription. So if we don't offer prescription in our AR glasses, we're missing out on those people, and we only have 30% of the market left for our devices. And I want to tell you that this is a deeply flawed argument. So when you don't offer prescription in your AR device, you're not reducing your market size to just the 30% of people who don't need vision correction. Actually, you're reducing your target market to close to 0% of the population. So let me explain why this is the case. The major problem is that for an individual that does not wear glasses on a daily basis, it is a very large step to start wearing glasses every day, all day. And just having some minimal AR functionality is not enough to convince users to do that. However, if you create prescription AR glasses, you have shifted your target market from people who don't wear glasses to people who already wear glasses every day of their life. So for these people, the primary reason to wear the device is to see clearly. So it's not hard to convince them to keep the device on their head. And that's why we believe that the first full-time adopters of AR glasses will be individuals that already wear eyeglasses. So just having prescription is not enough to really create a successful generation of AR glasses because it is impossible to create a single pair of glasses that everybody likes. So a second component, which is very important, is that you have to offer these glasses in various form factors. And this is something which Addoptics is very good at. So let me dive into what our technology is, how it works, and how we're going to use it to push the AR market forward.